There are many angles one can speak and traverse and look at regarding the mysteries of love. But what I would like to focus on briefly is what one of the uh, poets and mufassirs of the Quran, Al-Rashid ad-Din al-Maybudi, mentioned in his Quranic exegesis tafsir on the basics of Alif, Lam, Mim. Listen to what he says here in the depth of love. Basic letters. We open Surah Baqarah after Surah Fatiha, and what do we see? Alif, Lam, Mim. Basically, Abdullah Yusuf Ali says that the Alif stands for Allah, the Lam stands for Jibreel as the last letter in his name, Jibreel, and the Mim, Muhammad. Because revelation comes from Allah, Alif, leaves Jibreel, the Lam, and enters the heart of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Others say that Alif comes the very root, the sound emanates from the hollowness of the chest. Alif. If you say you'll find that Alif is in the hollowness of the chest. Try it and say Alif. Lam comes from the tongue. If you say Lam, you'll find your tongue being used. And if you say Mim, you'll find the lips being used. Mim. And revelation can only be uttered in that way, coming from the hollowness, the chest near the heart, then coming from the tongue and leaving the lips. Such are the beauties of their research and their insight here with Alif Lam Mim. However, Al-Maybudi says that Alif Lam Mim is as follows. He says, addressing one another with individual letters like Alif, Lam, Mim is the customs of lovers in their love. And these are the lovers' secrets with each other, so that no one watching will be aware. Between them, says a poet, between them lovers have a secret not disclosed by word, nor does creation have a pen to record it. Of the sort of hidden message that he gave, not one will be given up for 100,000 lives. End quote of poetry. So in the scroll of friendship, says Al-Maybudi, in the scroll of friendship, there is the imprint of a script whose interpretation none but the passionate read. In the secluded cell of friendship, there is mystery between friends whose murmur none but the recognizers know. In the picture gallery of friendship, there is a color of colorlessness that none but the enraptured have the eyes to see. If you want to see the beauty of the beloved's countenance, his face, blind the eyes of your head and look with the eye of your heart. And although Musa alayhi salam heard 1,000 words in 1,000 languages, this mystery was given to Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam in the seclusion of Aw Adna, referring to Surah Najm verse 9. Qaba qawsayni aw adna, 2 bows lengths, Aw Adna or closer, on the carpet of expansiveness of Alif, Lam and Mim, 3 letters, Alif, Lam, Mim, and it the carpet of expansiveness and secrecy and beauty between the lover and the beloved was manifest in all but Alif, Lam, and Mim.